Time to check on the chickies. Stay in. Stay in. Look at that crop sticking out. Mary, you pigged out today. Wow. You're not letting Flora have any. You guys are always in the way. Uh-huh. Oh, what'd you find? What'd you find, Flora? That's yours. You earned it. Okay. Oh, that's a good squat. No, I want Flora to get it. Flora? Huh? Flora? Flora, you need to get full. Mary, you're going to explode. Rose could use some. Oh, her crop's pretty full too. Flora! Good girl. You only take one bite at a time. There we go. You're just a slow eater. You gotta learn to be faster. You're a chicken. Mary. Flora. I'm waiting for you guys. See if instinct takes over with me standing here. It may be distracting them. But I'm pretty sure instincts will win over.